Good morning from Perea, Utah. At the start of the Grand Staircase Escalante. On a hike this morning doing the Buckskin Gulch out and back. Ten and a half miles. Beautiful. Stunning. Seeking out some slot canyons. Heading deeper into Utah. Definitely a little colder this morning. It's we're a little higher. So yesterday was a brutal windstorm. I mean, but I tell you, I've never experienced winds like I have on this trip. I mean, when they blow, they blow. It's sustained winds, constant at 30, gusts to 50. And when I say gusts, I mean more gusts than not. Just brutal. It just puts us right in the teardrop. Everything's stowed, hatches closed, can't do anything, can't cook. So dinner last night was beef jerky with some Munster cheese, and I got Brady a whole chicken from Walmart cooked, so he ate that with his organic dog food. But man, it's like eat and get back inside. Teardrops shaking left and right. And we had another windstorm in Mexican Hat too. Not as bad as yesterday, but the issue with the other windstorm was we were on the ledge of that canyon, as you saw, ledge of sort of that rim of the San Juan River right underneath the Hat. We only had about, I don't know, maybe 2 to 3 feet literally before we dropped down, and and of course the winds were from the west and pushing us right down, and it was a little bit more I thought I was gonna have to move. But I kept, checking the tires, making sure they weren't moving, and they weren't. So I was at Walmart and nobody tried to offer me any money. So I wasn't taken as homeless. I showered and shaved at the local campground there, $4, and got water. Oh wow, what a beautiful, wow, look at this. Isn't this just gorgeous? Brady is just thinks he's died and gone to heaven with grass underneath his feet. Seems to be okay this morning. Slight limp when he gets up, when he got up yesterday. Today, nothing. And it's funny because we had a day off yesterday. Just traveled, and that's it. And he had a little hesitation. I think it just gets sore from not using. It starts to heal, and then. But today is good to go. Look at this guy. Does he look like he's got a limp? Something wrong? Let's go back down, buddy. And today is my daughter Isabella's birthday. So happy birthday, Isabella, if you're watching. Hope you have a great day. She's 19. My goodness. Feels like yesterday that she was in a little bundle right here, holding her head on my hand. She used to go hiking with me all the time, and her her little sack in the front here, you know, like right here, facing me when she couldn't hold up her head, facing that way when she finally could. But she's a heck of a climber. She's definitely not afraid of climbing. We used to go to Great Falls in Virginia all the time, both Maryland and Virginia side. Anyway, happy birthday, sweetheart. I love you. This is gonna get interesting. There's a couple of cows up there. Hey, 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 hey. We'll see if he's... no. Stay over here. So there they are. Come here. Come here. Stay right here. Stay right here. You see him? No. Brady, get over here. They're... Oh, there's another one right there. I don't know if you guys can see them. They're spread out. They're eating this grass. Man, these have got to be, if I were a cow, this is where I'd want to be. No doubt about it. Period. Just drop me off. Come back when I'm dead. Come here. Come here. Come here. Come here. Leave the cows alone. Good boy. Yeah, he's looking at you. Come on. Come on. Let's mind our business. No. It's all right. You guys go ahead. Oh, no. Come here, Brady. Come here. There's a little baby cow over there. Yep. I don't know if you guys can spot him over there in the bushes. He's tiny. This is truly, yeah, this has got to be the most panoramic. See them? They're looking right at each other. Look. And he's looking at Mama. Saying Mama. And I think that's Mama over there. Look, she won't take her eyes off of us. Between Mama and calf, that's not a good situation. Cows can be aggressive too. Come on, buddy. Come on. Come, Brady, get over here right now. Up, right on up. See? Yep. I don't know if you heard that. That was Mama saying, you guys keep walking. Where the sand and the sandstone meet. Totally worth a couple miles off the trail to come check this out. We're about, I think, halfway to Ed Mayer's Secret. I mean, with a name like that, you've got to go check it out. I mean, right? Never been on a trail that changes so frequently, so quickly. Normally I'd say let's go check out that peak, but not today. Not after 11 miles. It's a bit much. Man, the pattern on this sandstone is just, it's just stunning. Ever changing. Oh, Brady's down. Four-legged creatures are much better at descending than two. And climbing. Except they can't reach up. Look at that contrast between the green and the red and then the blue. See if I can get all three of them in the same frame. Look at that. The last thing to come through here was a horse. It's the only prints. Look at that. definitely horses. So I had to set up camp this morning because yesterday, just the wind when we arrived, no chance. Just bunkered down and that's it. Just rode it out. So this morning I had to get it set up. About to get narrow again. This is what sort of what I was hoping for. Some slot canyons like this. Look at, wow. Holy moly. Man.